Hello guys, today I will show you how to make good deck profile in Yu-Gi-Oh! Dueling Book. Those tips could be used not only on this site, but everywhere else. First tip, use cards from say archetype. Archetype is deck that use cards which work good together. It could be Dark Magician, like this one, cards like Dark Magic Attack, or Dark Magic Curtain, or the new ones Dark Magic Secrets, Dark Magical Circle, Six Samurai. It could be Asceticism of the Six Samurai, the new one Battle Shogun of the Six Samurai, cards like Grandmaster of the Six Samurai, Legendary Six Samurai Shien, and many others, or Ritual Beast, aka Spiritual Beast, cards like Ritual Beast Tamer Wen, Ritual Beast Tamer Elder, and of course Fusion Ritual Beast Ulti Apelio, Ulti Gaiapelio, Ulti Kanahawk, and even Ritual Beast Ulti Kimun Falcus. For Dark Magician are mainly spellcasters like Apprentice Illusion Magician or Dark Magician Girl, or it could be Dark Magician of Chaos, or just Dark Magician, and cards like Magician of Dark Illusion, Magician Robe, Magician's Road, the new one Magician Souls, Oracle Mahet, Skilled Dark Magician, and Spell Traps supports for particular Dark Magician deck. This is cards like the Eye of Timaeus, Sage Stone, Thousand Knives, Eternal Soul, very good card for special summoning, Faithful Servant, Illusion Magic, Magician Navigation, Chaos Form for New Ritual, Bond between teacher and student. For Six Samurai are warriors and cards that say Six Samurai in description. You can see it for here, six Samurai, Battle Shogun, Gateway of the Six, Great Shogun Shien, Legendary Six Samurai Kizan. Kageki is very good if you summon monster like hmm, you can use Tempo of Six. If you summon Kagemusha with him is very good. You can use cards like Fuma or Rihan or even Kizaru. And for adding Shen Smoke Signal or Six Samurai United for drawing or Shen's Dojo. Tip 2. Consistency. Consistency means to put the right number of cards in your deck so you can draw the good ones faster. There are consistency cards or +1 cards which help you to draw cards from deck. Example is Pot of Greed, that let you draw two cards, pot of duality, also, pot of extravagance, and pot of desires. Also, upstart goblin. You can see upstart goblin give you one draw, then your opponent gains 1000 life points. Tip number 3. Watch videos about strategy and making deck profiles. You can watch videos from channels like Team Samurai X1. You can see very good decks like Six Samurai deck profiles, decks like Orcust deck profiles, also very combos you can watch here, and also Kira Tweak 2, which doesn't have combos but have many deck profiles. They have really good deck profiles. Or you can check Yugo organization from here, yugoorganization.com, and you can see here deck profiles and even combos, deck recipes, deck profiles, combos. Also, yu-gi-oh!blog.com articles, work.konami.com articles. You can see mostly strategy, also deck profiles, but mostly strategy, how to use the cards, and videos how to use Mystic Fighters cards, Dragon Maids, and much others. Those are my 3 tips for deck building. You can write down in comments what are your favorite archetypes. If you like this video, you can subscribe for more and even to write what you want to see in next video. For now, I will show you how to make one Six Samurai deck profile with all of the tips. So for the first one, you need 6 Samurai cards and cost is inconsistency. You need warriors, of course, but not more, 2 of each. One Grandmaster because you can control only one. Gateway of the 6-1. Kagemusha will put 2. Kageki, I will put 3. Also 3 Kizan because of Gate of the 6 Samurai. 1 Mizuchu. 2 Shiens. Also 1 Shinai. 1 Fuma. 1 Hatsume. Kizaru 1. 2 Ihan. 2 Shien. Let's say 1 Doju. 3 Shien Smoke Signal to add cards like Kageki or Kagemusha. So you need 3 for Searcher. United, I will put just 2 for drawing. Also, Hero, just 1. Zanji, just 1. And what else? What else? To say it, Enish. And Shogun. Now you need Spell card supports like Monster Reborn, Upstart Goblin for drawing. Also, you need more link monster like Isolde. You need two. Well, maybe not two, maybe three. And you need spell equip cards like Bamboo Sword. I use just two broken bamboo swords, three golden bamboo swords, and two cursed bamboo swords. For traps, you can use back to the front. Very good trap. And gold, go of the grave, go of the counted. Like monster reborn, but only in attack position. So that's everything. So I can test my draw hand here, Zoe mode. It's not very good when you draw this hand, but also it's not so bad. So I will use this one to add Kageki. So I normal Kizan and use broken bamboo sword, also golden bamboo sword for drawing two. I draw another Shen smoke signal, so I can add um, Kagemusha, which is stunner, and on my next turn I can special Kageki, normal Kageki, and then special Kagemusha to make synchro for Tien, or link for Isolde and use its effects. And this is everything. You can use cards like Battle Shogun, or Shien, or Rihan. And that's Six Samurai. So see you next time.